how to download Sam's Club app and create new accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can download the Sam's Club app and create a new account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To download the Sam's Club application, open up your app store. You'll want to simply search for the Sam's Club application here. If you haven't downloaded it before, tap the get button here. It may take a while to actually download this application, so just make sure to tap the install button from the bottom. Once you tap and install, depending upon the strength of your internet connection, wait for the application to be downloaded successfully. So as you can see, the application has been successfully downloaded. What you want to do is now go ahead and simply open the application. And in order to create a new account, first of all, if you want to allow the permission, you can go ahead and then do that. Once you've done this, you're going to see this type of interface. And over here, you can see this option called account from the bottom right. Make sure to tap on the account option. And from the very top, you can see not a member, join now. Now, if you already have an account, you can tap the sign in button, or you can tap the join now option over here. Once you tap on join now, you can just choose a membership that you would like, which is club membership or plus membership. Depending upon what you want, just tap on the deal over here and then just tap on join now. Once you tap on join now, make sure to enter your first name, your last name, and make sure to fill in all the payment details. Once you've done that, tap on continue. Your account will get successfully created. This way you can download the Sam's Club app and create a new account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.